One of the biggest things to consider when buying an HDMI cable is the HDMI standard it supports. Right now, you'll mainly see two versions, HDMI 2.0 and HDMI 2.1. HDMI 2.0 supports up to 18 gigabits per second bandwidth, allowing for 4K at 60 Hz refresh rate, HDR, and decent gaming performance. Most standard 4K HDMI cables fall into this category. HDMI 2.1, a major upgrade, offering up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, enabling 4K at 120 Hz refresh rate or 8K at 60 Hz refresh rate, better HDR, and features like variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode for gaming. If you're just using your TV for streaming or casual watching, an HDMI 2.0 cable might be enough. But if you're serious about gaming or future-proofing your setup, HDMI 2.1 is the way to go.